Let's go. Irama Moses.
Hello lovely guys, how are you today? I hope everyone is fine. We thank God for another week. In this new video, I just want to share with you how you can prepare your fruit salad or fruit platter. So let's roll it. You can see here I have my pineapple here. I've used my toothpick to design it. In this video, I just want to give you a tips on if you want to do a house party or you get visitors, you want to serve them with fruit, different types of fruit, how you can just present it nicely on the table. That's what we are about to do. So guys, let's quickly roll it. I have my orange here. I'm using orange, grapes, melon. I have my blueberries here and my strawberry, guys. So let's start.
Nice makeups. Workout. Irama's channel. Subscribe. Let's go. Hey, hey, hey. Irama workout. Good food. Healthy living. Lifestyle. Let's go. Irama's channel. Subscribe and click on the notification bell for more videos from Irama Moses. Let's go. Yummy, yummy.
Guys, I've washed my fruits nicely. I've prepped them nicely. So it's now time for us to design our fruits. So let's proceed.
Good food, healthy living, lifestyle, workout. Irama garden. Irama's channel. Subscribe, let's go. Lifestyle, good food, workout. Irama's channel. Yummy, yummy. Subscribe and click on the notification bell. Let's go. Darkness music. Let's go. EM's kitchen. Irama Moses. Let's go. Music.
Guys, at this point you can see I have my toothpick here. You just have to peel it with a pineapple that you have. Then you just peel your strawberry. But just a nice design.
It's tasty. Sweet aroma. EM for short. Irama Moses. EM
I hope you guys can see. Guys, I hope you can see. So I use the strawberry to decorate the pineapple. If you can see, we still got some of the melon here. We have our orange and some of the green grapes. You can add it to the pineapple so that it will be more beautiful and colorful as well. So guys, just keep on watching as I will use the rest of the fruit to decorate the pineapple as well.
Simple remedy. Irama's kitchen. Sweet aroma. Irama's kitchen, yeah. So Pedriani Papa. Irama's kitchen will be Nisanu Yawam. Nisanu Yede. Irama's kitchen. Sweet aroma. It's tasty. Palatable. Sweet aroma. EM's kitchen, yeah.
Guys, look at that. Oh my god, how colorful our fruit salad is looking. Look at that.
Let's go.
Guys, I just want to show you how our fruit salad is looking. With this, we are doing a party.
Sweet aroma.
Look at that.
So tasty.
Housewarming party. You can do this fruit salad to serve.
I like it.
Look at that. You can do it to serve your visitors. Look how nice, colorful. So you just have to pray around it. You have to be creative when you are doing this fruit salad. It looks so appealing. It looks so beautiful. Look at that. So guys, this is the outcome of our fruit salad or fruit platter that we prepared. Thank you. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I will ask you to hit the subscribe button now to be part of EM family. Look at that. Oh my god. I love this and I'm going to enjoy this.
EM for sure.
All of you are invited. Come and join me to enjoy this beautiful fruit salad.